Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. We are here today with a mini Louis Vuitton unboxing. I did this online purchase because of one of my Instagram followers. Shout out to Luxury Fangirl. Hi babe. She just DM'd me on Instagram and was like, Jerusha, this has just come back on our online website for Louis Vuitton, so maybe it's available on yours. Go check. And honestly, I said to her, oh my God, this is bad parenting. But I was putting the babies in the bath. I got the message and I was like, 1 second. And I just like ran into the bedroom, got my laptop, sat on the couch watching them in the bath, purchasing this online. It's okay. It was safe, okay? It was bad parenting, but it wasn't that bad. Anyway, I got it. Add to shopping bag. When you see add to shopping bag for an item you want, you just freak out. I added to shopping bag and I got it and I was just like, what? I honestly can't really believe that. I thought this was done. I thought this was discontinued. I thought it was over. So without further ado, here's a little shopping bag. So it's an online order. So with an online order, God knows why, you get the old beautiful proof of purchases, which is in the really hard, the beautiful hard kind of paper with the LV on the front. It's not like a, you know, Target receipt bag. And here it is, our little itty bitty Louis Vuitton box to reveal to you guys. Here is the drawer box. So cute, and teeny weeny dust bag, so small to reveal. Ready? Ta-da! Had been wanting to get my hands on the four key ring holder in plain monogram from Louis Vuitton. I was certain it was discontinued. And this is what I'm hoping with some of their discontinued items now. They're just like, okay, let's not discontinue them. Let's bring them back and do them in like bigger amounts, because that would just be great. But this is the 4 key. I had it in Damier Ebene for the longest time. That was one of the items that I parted with, along with the 6 key in fuchsia, which I then bought back with just the gold button, which I then sold again. It's very confusing. To fund all of this Chanel back here, because everyone's like, do what I sold and why, which I will do it, but this is what it was to fund. So those 6 keys went. The 4 key of this in Damier Ebene went. I was just like, oh my God, no, the 4 key is so great. It is so great. Yes, it does not hold a card. The width of this is not the width of like a credit card or your most used debit card or your driver's license. It's thinner, but I don't have that many actual keys. And I don't put my key fob in here. My key fob for my car is too big, it's keyless, so I leave it on my drag-on strap. But my keys for my office, my house key, my PO box key, they fit perfectly in a 4 key. Here it is with its 4 little key hooks there, and it says Louis Vuitton Paris made in France stamped there, and then it's got Louis Vuitton. Of course, to do a comparison, I showed you that I picked up the 6 key to replace the 6 key I sold in exactly the same, because it holds a card and I think it is so useful. And a lot of people have been asking, do I recommend this as a starter piece? And I'm leaning towards saying yes a lot more now than this guy. And this is the key holder, the clay, the card holder, the pouch holder. I don't know, it's got many different names on different websites, but a lot of people say this is a great starter item, which it is. It holds keys, it holds cards, it holds cash. However, if you do have a lot of keys and you're opening a lot of doors for work, for school, uni, I don't know, your mum and dad's house, then this will work for you because it holds a card. If you don't have a lot of keys, but you want to house your keys in a key holder like this so it does not scratch the inside of your expensive handbags, this is such a great size for that. And I really wanted it in just the monogram canvas. And I was in New Zealand last year with my husband. I asked them if they had a 4 key at all, and she said yes. We have the Mahina line in the Gallet color, and that's this right here. The Mahina leather, FYI, is so beautiful. It is so smooth. It is so soft to the touch. It's a beautiful perforated LV fleur-de-lis monogram, so it's actually like little tiny holes. It's perforated, but I always still knew I wanted to get a plain canvas 4 key. Don't ask me, you know, now we have families of key holders. We went from having one to selling it to getting them back in multiples. It's crazy. Will I keep all of them? Yes and no. I'm not quite sure. Sometimes I get asked, do you have one? Can I have it? And I just on a whim sell it. I'm not quite sure. But for right now, to have acquired this guy, thanks to my follower, Luxury Fangirl, you are a gem, babe. Thank you so much. If anyone sees that on the mini pochette in monogram, can you please let me know? Honestly, I'm hunting. I just want to get it myself. Everyone's like, it's fine, just order it from the 1-800 number, but I just want to get it myself from online. I don't know why. Sometimes I'm just really finicky like that. Like I just want it to come to my house. I don't want to have to wait. I don't know. But this guy is gorgeous. Let me quickly show you size comparisons in things. So handy being back in a form of a studio so that everything is around me and I can just grab these items, whereas upstairs in my dining room, like I had to take it, slap it all upstairs, slap it back down and whatnot. This is my mini pochette in Damier Ebene. I've had it for a million years. I'm going to show you a size comparison. We'll just stick to the canvas key holders. So this is 6 key. In a comparison to the mini pochette, there we go. So that fits in perfectly, not a problem obviously, and still gives you, you know, some space. And then here is my new 4 key, just like so, and that fits in perfectly there, obviously. I'm running out of battery, let's go. This is the Toiletry 15 in monogram canvas to show you size comparison. Whoops, sorry. So there is my new 4 key. Just obviously slipping it down in there like that. I've used this before as a clutch. I have. And then there is the 6 key, and they can go together actually in here. It's big enough, but there's side by side. That's cute. Aha, I've used this before. I've used this as a clutch to a wedding. I didn't have a clutch that would fit my phone, and I think I forgot it. And I just grabbed this out of my handbag. So this is a 6 key in the cosmetic case PM in monogram, like so. Obviously, tons of room. And then there is the 4 key in monogram, perfect. There's the two of them stuck together like so. And this is another one of those really beautiful, like everything's in alignment, it's straight. There's no pressing marks on the button. It's engraved with Louis Vuitton. It's like when I got my Palace BB, it was just sitting so beautiful. It was so nice. So that is my mini unboxing and just quick what it fits in and comparison, I suppose, with other key holders of mine. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like these kind of videos, please give me a thumbs up. If you're enjoying my channel at the moment, please give me a thumbs up. Showing us thumbs up on YouTube is so important now, especially if our content is good and you're enjoying it. You really, like, you don't have to comment. I know there's heaps of silent subscribers or watchers. That's totally cool. Just hit the thumbs up button though. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and you wish to do so, there is a button below, guys. I would super appreciate that. I will see you in my next video. Hope everybody is really safe. Take care out there. Peace.